Manila Sports Council, Mr. Dave Baginista, at siyempre from Unilab Laboratories and MAGC Segment Head, TGL Vitamins, Madam Anita Lim, Brad Manley from Growy, and of course, the head organizer ng ating Manila Swimming and Water Polo Tournament is Mr. Darren Baginista. Welcome po. Salamat at napaunlakan ninyo kami. We're now live sa ating Facebook page na Taps Usapan, ganun din sa Bulgar Sports at sa Sports Corner with Gab Ferreira. So, welcome sa ating mga guests. Maybe we can ask our guest for their opening message.
Magandang umaga po sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Magandang umaga rin po sa mga
Morning, everyone. Rumi is here. We're happy to support the Manila Swimming for 2026.
Good morning, everyone. So I just like to say a few words also. So good morning again. So we're proud to support the Growy Manila Swimming under the Manila Sports Council grassroots program in partnership with PSC, INFA Pilipinas, and Solid Inc. Sports Organization Learning Institute for Development and the Manila City Government. So Growy supports children's involvement in sports, and sports, just like swimming, builds strength, discipline, and resilience, which are values that we stand for as well. So together and through partnerships like this, let's help our children grow healthier, stronger, and reach new heights. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning. Good morning, glad to be back. Sir, and everyone. We are here to discuss the Growy Manila Swimming Meet. This coming March 21, of course, dito sa Rizal Memorial. This program is under the Manila Sports Council, supported by Philippine Sports Commission. Dahil sabi ni, kung sinabi mo Sir Joy, okay na sila na wala.
Yes, kanina medyo natiling tayo ng konti because of the Special Olympics na nakakatuwa naman din. Hopefully, ang isang organization kasi, ang isang sports tournament, talaga nagiging successful with the support of the private sector. And this time, from Manila Sports Council and the NINFA Philippines, and organization into swimming competition, and then of course the water polo, then with the of the support of the Growy. So, Madam Anita, ano po ang nagtulak sa inyo at siguro may magaling si Mr. Baginista na supportan niyo. Pero this is the first time na mayroong sports support coming from Growy.
Yes, this is our first time to partner with the Manila City Government in activities such as the Manila Swimming. So this will be our first time to partner together. But it's not new to Growy to be partnering with other sports leagues because we have the same values as well. We want to take sports closer to children and of course support their active bodies so that they grow healthy and strong.
Madam Benji.
Yes, Growy actually promotes movement among children. So as Anita said, it's really not something that's new to Growy. With Growy, as we support sports and movement among the children, we want to build also resilient sportsmanship and discipline. That's why, although this is our first time to partner with Growy, the sports community is not new to Growy and something that Growy would continue to support moving forward.
Thank you. Mr. Darren, alam naman namin na you're organizing sports, hindi lang swimming, kundi may golf, may basketball. With the swimming, medyo familiar kami. But this time, anong aabangan ng ating swimming community for this coming tournament?
Itong tournament na to, ang Manila nakafocus sa grassroots. Kaya, kung mapapansin nyo sa invitation, 25-meter pool lang ginamit. Tayo lang dito sa PSC, ang mayroong 50-meter pool na titig 25. Kaya very fortunate tayo na gano'n na yung swimming pool ng Philippine Sports. So, ang focus nito is under 12 years old. So, konti lang yung nasa 13, 14. No? Kaya ang focus ito is developmental. Sabi nga ni Ma'am Betty, we support the movement.
Ano yan, nakaling age bracket or open siya sa mga club field lang?
Ang nag-participate siguro around 27 teams na merong school, nandun ang Maris, nandun ang Makuha, nandun ang Emilio Aguinaldo, marami. Tapos yung mga clubs na nasa ano naman is different swimming clubs all over the NCR. No? Ang age group natin, age grouping no? Sa novice, 6, 7, 8 hanggang 12, ibang category yun, children's category sila. Pagkatapos, 13 to above, yun yung kids category. So, merong per age level, meron yung individual award. And of course, kahit sa age level naman, merong class A, class B, class C na awards din. Para sa naman sa hindi yung mga elite swimmers, hindi kalaban yung mga young swimmers na bago pa lang. So marami tayong awards na hindi pamibigyan, almost 70 most outstanding swimmers ang nakastate.
With siyempre medals and
Growy kits.
wow.
Okay, marami tayo. And at the same time, lahat ng nag-entry, meron sila makukuha 120 ml as part of their registration ng Growy. Para to support their conditioning to body conditioning.
So Dale, your partnership with this tournament is part of the mascot's commitment to sports development. Aside from swimming, ano ba ang nakaline up ng mascot?
For the Manila Sports Council, ito, supported namin yung kanilang swimming competition. Especially maraming salamat sa Growy, maraming salamat sa Union Dito to support the swimming competition. Also, we have upcoming waterball event sa dito yung gawin sa isa, March 25 to 28. Parang when, para sure lang. There is 7 teams for the men's open, tatlong team coming from Manila and the Philippines. Tapos 2 team from isang Hong Kong.
International people.
Yes, 2 Hong Kong team, club team. Isang yung actually 3 galing sa States, sa US. Parang 14 teams na total. International teams. Pero may marami rin local teams.
Ang Growy ba, part din ng tournament na yan?
Malalaman natin namin. Depende kayo.
So Madam Anita and Benji, aside from sports, ano ba ang pinagkakaablan pa ng Growy for the community or for the sa education or sa aspect of what?
Yeah, actually, for the community, what we want, we have plans to bring sports to the community. Actually, see that, and then we have additional talks on how we can bring, maybe not swimming, but other sports, to the barangays, to the different communities. So it's something that we are planning to move forward with for 2026.
So, Gab?
Okay, so good morning, Gapera Sports Corner. So Darren, with this actually I covered nga pala last year yung Manila Swimming Meet at nakita naman natin ang ating mga swimmers who are definitely prepared for different meets. May iba na sasali sa palarong pambansa this year sa Agusan, tapos may mga iba na nagko-compete na sa mga iba't ibang mga collegiates, the meets, but this is actually bigger in numbers na itong Manila Swimming Meet this year. So anong pakakabangan natin dito from your end?
Of course, ang talagang target namin dito is to identify talent for Batang Pinoy. Of course, pagkatapos sa Batang Pinoy, because my brother is also of course in the NCAA, we offer scholarships. No? And of course, yung mga swimming coach ng Sambeda, and then swimming coach ng Letran, kasama, nag-participate din. Dito sila humahanap ng mga pwede nilang maging varsity athletes. No? Kami naman, for LGU, as you know, from number 52 kami sa LGU, last year number 4 ba tayo o number 5?
Number 84.
From 84 to number 5, nung nagpalit na si Dave ang director. Gusto namin ipapot pa doon sa pinakamataas na stage ng Batang Pinoy. So, dito kami naghahanap ng magiging atleta namin sa Manila Swimming.
So, ang swim meet is open not just for the Manila teams, yung nakabase lang sa Manila, but of course, there's, kasi napapaligiran tayo ng mga elementary schools, high schools, and different universities sa Manila, but also open din sa mga non-Manila teams na rin.
Opo. Teka, ano rin, meron din Lucena, meron din Rizal na sumali, Antipolo, meron Cainta, no? So, ito talaga ay hindi lang naman sa Manila galing ang mga atleta. Composed din siya galing sa Luzon. Meron din galing Laguna, at meron din galing Bulacan. Yung malalapit dito sa atin, na siguro mga 1.5 hours away from Manila, sumasali sila.
At nakita naman